I'm Nigel, and I've got no idea what I'm doing. Today, brakes.
We were hoping the problem with the brakes was going to be able to be solved by simply bleeding them, which involves renewing the brake fluid in the lines. So, we lifted the car off the ground, got the wheels off, and got on with the job.
Okay, stop. We have some weird shit going on right now.
That's fine.
This is a fairly simple job, although it needs a bit of work to get started, and without special gear, requires 2 people to do.
Open. Close. Open. Close.
There was a fair bit of dirt in the lines, as well as quite a lot of air, which was almost certainly the cause of the braking issues. By the end of the process, the brakes felt good as new. While we had the wheels off, we gave them a bit of a pressure wash.
Now sometimes, you desperately need an edit point.
So far, so good. But we weren't really prepared for what was waiting for us next.
Come on, listen, baby.
The fuel pump, which we had previously gotten working by fixing up the wiring, had completely died. We tried a few things to get it running, but in the end, there was only one thing we could do. We got the brakes going, so that's a good start. Couldn't get the engine started because of a second problem with the fuel pump, so a new fuel pump's on order, and hopefully next time we'll get the engine running and we'll get that service done. Okay, stay happy, we'll talk to you soon.